In today's video, we will be talking about the 11 best self-defense gadgets of all time. Number 11. United Undercover Tanto Black. This knife was designed for concealed carrying, making it easy for you to sting an attacker at the most unexpected moments. The blade is made from Japanese AUS-6 steel, which was initially created as knife steel and can be sharpened. The knife is 7.25 inches long and comes with a nylon sheath that can be fastened along the belt. The knife will remain undetected until you use it. You can throw the knife in confidence because it has good balance. The price is $16. Number 10. Sabre Aim and Fire. The Sabre Aim and Fire pepper gel was made to look like a pistol. It launches pepper spray toward the intruder for more reliable home defense. This defense weapon allows you to aim and dispense pepper gel accurately up to 15 feet away. With each burst, it emits maximum heat and it is trusted by police around the world. Each gel canister shoots up to 13 streams on a single cartridge, providing a safe distance between you and your target. It is also useful in the case of multiple attackers. The durable hand grip is comfortable in your hand, and the safety helps prevent accidental deployment. Each Sabre Aim and Fire package comes with one pepper gel cartridge and one water-based practice cartridge. UV marking dye is also added to the pepper gel to help law enforcement capture the attacker using a UV light. Number 9. Paracord Bracelet Knife. This wristband is useful for self-defense, and there are a lot of models to choose from. The blade is integrally molded to a glass or nylon guard that ties into the bracelet. The handle grooves and jimping on the thumb ramp ensure a good grip at all times. The knife is securely locked by the patent-pending sheath system for immediate deployment in any situation. Once it is deployed, the Paracord bracelet acts as the knife's handle. The metal blade can also be removed and used as a keychain. The blade is about 1 inch long. It is available in 6 colors and is handmade. Number 8. Mantis X1. Mantis X1 is a hidden blade that was designed by Rawest Creations. It comes with 3 wrist straps and can be used by left-handed people. A plastic blade was used for safety purposes. In 2021, the manufacturers completely improved the design. Compared to the old version, this is stronger and faster, and it retains its functions such as the ability to install a ring of the right size and the precise adjustment of the cord. You can also make your version of the Mantis X1 blade. Number 7. Protekkt Life-Saver. Protekkt is a 7-in-1 tool that can help in various ways during emergencies. It combines a seatbelt cutter, a flashlight, a 120 decibel alarm, and 2 steel tips. The steel tips are very sharp and can help in breaking glass during emergencies. The alarm is loud enough to draw attention to you if you are in danger. This tool is small enough to fit into a purse, and it can also be carried in the palm of your hand easily. It weighs 3.8 ounces and is 5.6 inches long. It has been successfully tested by an Austrian anti-terrorist unit, and the price is about $33. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are loving the content. Number 6. Go Guarded. Go Guarded ring was created to protect the lives of women. Go Guarded is a claw ring that costs $14. It is a serrated edge self-defense weapon that should be worn on the index, middle, or ring finger of the leading hand. The main material used in making it is fiberglass reinforced nylon. It comes with a bright rubber insert, which is a great camouflage. It makes the ring look like a fashion accessory. The large size fits ring sizes 10 to 14, while the medium size fits ring sizes 5 to 9, and each comes with inserts for adjusting the size of the ring. The blade cover will automatically flex out of the way when the self-defense ring is used. Number 5. Torque X Slingshot. Torque X Slingshot is a simple and compact slingshot frame with an interesting asymmetric design. This version was first shown in 2014 and has been getting upgrades and gaining popularity ever since. The X version weighs 2.9 ounces, has a full length of 5 inches, and has a 20% increased frame width. The Slingshot allows you to hit a 0.8-inch diameter target at 49 feet. It comes with 2 bands and 4 color options, and the price is $25. Number 4. TenPoint Nitros 505. Meet the Nitro 505. According to its designers, it is the fastest crossbow on the market, and it is the most powerful crossbow ever built by TenPoint. It has a speed of 505 feet per second and 227 foot-pounds of blistering power. It weighs at about 8 pounds and has a noise reduction system. The crossbow features a perfectly balanced reverse draw platform that is supreme in its ability to produce speed and power. The Nitro 505 is equipped with a newly designed RX-8 cam system, 3.5-pound pull, and a 2-stage, zero-creep S1 trigger that activates a consistent crisp, and the ACU slide cocking and decocking system. The ACU slide works with just 5 pounds of force. With more than 25,000 test shots fired, this model is one of the most tested in the market. The crossbow costs about $3,000. Number 3. CRKT Provoke Knife. The CRKT Provoke Knife is a karambit knife that is made from an ancient design but hides a futuristic secret. It is a curved knife that is held in a reverse grip. Karambit knives were invented for self-defense and were originally used by the poor urban population. However, this model is the first knife ever to feature kinematic technology. This allows you to quickly and safely open the knife with your thumb. It weighs about 133 grams and the blade is 2.47 inches long. It has a built-in clip that makes it easy to store. The knife is built with grivery, which makes it lightweight and crafted to go anywhere. The price tag is $100. Number 2. Folding Rubber Band Gun. The folding rubber band gun comes with over 100 rubber bands and is safe to shoot. It shoots rubber bands up to 20 feet away. It weighs 107 grams, and it is foldable and portable. It also comes with a keychain for easy hanging on your belt. The toy gun pistol has a semi-automatic design that allows for precise shooting as well as the rapid firing of all 6 rubber band bullets. The price is $13. Number 1. Double McKnuckles. Brass knuckles have a complicated history. In the 12th century, brass knuckles were already being used in India. With the advent of technology, brass knuckles began to be upgraded. McKnuckles are made of 0.25 inches thick steel with a CRKT finish. It comes with any color G10 and a Kydex sheath. The double setup includes 2 McKnuckles, the double carry Kydex holster which can be separated, and 2 DCL combat loops. Despite the popularity of this weapon, authorities in different countries disagree on its legality. This weapon is banned in countries like the UK, Canada, Hong Kong, and Turkey, but in Brazil, Italy, and Mexico, they are legal. So, you should check your local laws before you buy one for your safety.